Something that I want to tell you, something that I've got to tell you. Come over here. I call your name, and just the sound does something to me. Sends electricity right through me when I call your name.
All the while I'm watching you, it doesn't matter what you do. My God, I think I'm lost in love's obsession. Never knew a word could set me free.
Talk to me and shower me with sweet intention.
Such sweet
Tempt me with your
intention.
words, I can't resist the mention
I can't resist
of your love. Oh darling, talk to me. Talk to me about the way you'd feel without
the
me.
nights would be
How the days
so
would be so long and nights so lonely.
and your eyes.
Use your eyes and darling, talk to me.
I rise each day knowing that I'm gonna see you, and why nobody else could be you. I'm so amazed. I wonder why you touch me like no one before you, with words like darling, I adore you. You're here to stay.
Here I go, my feelings fly. You never even have to try. My God, I think I'm lost in love's obsession. Never knew this feeling. I'm so free.
Talk to me, a whisper or a scream can move me. Take me in your arms and do what you did to me.